In a traditional human-centered support model, customer experience suffers as you try to meet higher demand with limited resources. Even when you add AI to fill in the gaps, this can lead to awkward handoffs, repeated questions, and an inconsistent tone. But with the right partnership between AI and your team, these constraints disappear. Let's take a look at this partnership in more detail. First off, at this stage, if you limit your AI agent by customer segment, topic, or type of query, you're missing out on its full potential. Make it your concierge for every single inbound query, helping directly where it can, and if not, directing customers to the right place. Then, your AI agent can handle the bulk of your informational queries from your help content, answer questions about your customers' accounts by fetching data from external sources, and it can also take action if you permit it to do so. This way, your customers receive a fast and consistent experience, your team can cover more ground, and you get the broad insights you need to keep improving your AI agent. This doesn't mean that humans are no longer needed, but their role does evolve. Instead of spending their time clearing queues and handling routine requests, human agents focus on the moments that require deeper involvement, like sensitive situations, edge cases, or complex problem solving. So they're still engaging with customers for complex or high-stakes issues, but also heavily involved in proactive support, AI agent optimization, and helping how support works at scale. Their job is no longer purely reactive, but to help push your scaled system forward. When designing an effective hybrid system, it helps to ask yourself a few practical questions. Where can AI fully resolve an issue without needing to involve a person? Where does a situation call for human empathy or nuanced judgment? Where should you set up fallback rules so that if your AI agent can't resolve something, it knows to escalate to a teammate? And who is responsible for reviewing escalations for opportunities to improve the AI agent's capabilities? Answering these questions will help turn the idea of hybrid support into a workable system. Clearly, one of the most important moments in a support journey is the handover from AI agent to human support. Customers shouldn't experience friction when this happens. The transition should feel seamless, transparent, and ideally quick. But if a wait is unavoidable, set clear expectations for when they'll be able to speak to the team. A smooth handover means automatically passing along all relevant context, conversation history, the reason for the escalation, sentiment signals, and any troubleshooting already completed. This ensures your teammate can step in right where the AI left off, without the customer needing to repeat themselves, which can lead to frustration and erode trust. And after handover, AI still plays a vital role, assisting your teammates. It can summarize the conversation so your teammates can hit the ground running, suggest answers, surface relevant help content, revise replies, including translating into the customer's language, and much more. So in this mode, your AI agent becomes a copilot, supporting your teammates behind the scenes, still speeding up resolutions and reducing manual work, while helping keep the experience consistent for the customer. In summary, hybrid design is the foundation for scaling your support effectively. AI leads the way, humans add value where it matters most, and handovers are smooth and invisible, a single coherent experience for your customers. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to keep this system improving over time using the right habits for governance and optimization.